I have this grapevine wreath. It's a 12-inch. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, most craft stores. And then I have 4-inch grapevines. And I'm going to start by taking floral wire and attaching the 4 to the top. Using some floral wire, I attached each 4-inch to the 12 and then took floral wire and connected the 4 inches to each other. This just gave me a very sturdy, stable wreath situation where you're not going to want the 4 inches, flopping around. You want them to be pretty stable. And I did this with all 4. So as you can see, I created a paw print. I found this grass at Walmart, and I just separated it down by the stem, and I'm going to attach it very well with the floral wire and then cut the stem off. You can pretty much use any greenery you choose. You could throw some flowers in there. I just chose not to, but this is where your creativity can come into play and do what fits your decor. I kept mine simple. Then I found this dog bone wreath, ribbon, This black one has the little paw prints on it, and then a sheer black one. You can find ribbon like this at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to show you how to make a nice bow. I put all these 4 ribbons together. I'm going to do a loop to the right. Keeping them all together, I'm going to do a loop to the left. As I'm pinching in the center, a loop to the right. A loop to the left. I'm going to go 2 more times, holding them all together, a loop to the right. Holding them all together, a loop to the left. Now, I always wait to cut from the rolls. I first tie with my floral wire in the center. And it really helps if your ribbon has the wired edge. The smaller ones you're probably not going to find with that, but if you can get the bigger ones with the wired edge, it just helps shape your bow better. So you're just going to kind of pull and separate everything, and it's going to give you a nice fluffy bow, and then I'm going to cut from the roll. And before I make it too perfect, I'm going to attach it to the bottom of my wreath. I have extra floral wire after I wrapped it on the back, and that's what I'm attaching it to the wreath with. And now you just want to fluff up your ribbon. Again, if it has the wired edge, it makes it so much easier to reshape. And then I'm going to cut my edges with some pinking shears just to give it a nice clean edge. And there you go. I found this woof sign at the Dollar Tree. And using floral wire, I'm just going to attach it to my grapevine. And I did this on both sides. One on the right and one on the left. Now to cover the floral wire, I took the ribbon with the little paw prints on and just tied a bow right on the floral wire. And then I snipped the bow just to kind of make it look almost like a little spray of ribbon. And I did that on the left side by the W on that floral wire as well. Same thing, tied a bow, cut the bow just so it was more like a little spray. And here you have a dog print wreath for those who have fur babies. I hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. For any paint products or transfers, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.